Looky. Traitor. No. Look what I'm doing, you guys. I got my diamond painting yesterday. It came really quick. Under $5 from Amazon. And I just wanted to try it. And I have to tell you, I like it. I like it. I'm going to tell you what I like about it. Besides it being very easy, you can see that I've already got some of this done. I'm working on the white diamonds right now. Besides being very easy, it's really good if you want to go to sleep. Not go to sleep while you're doing it, but if you want to go to sleep, it relaxes you. It really relaxes you. It's like you do this and then your eyes get tired and you're like, I think I'm ready to go to sleep. Good little thing to do just if you don't read or something, or, you know, whatever you do. But this is one thing that you can add to it. To do this, it will relax you to go to sleep because you have your focus on this one, you know, this one little, this action here. Yeah, so I was influenced by Ross at It Smells Like Yarn and by Jeannie. I don't know what the name of her channel is. I'm going to have to look that up and put it below. They influenced me, especially Jeannie, because what I like about her diamond painting is she actually showed where she stored it, you know, and she purchased this portfolio from Amazon, like a picture book, I think we used to call them, like you used to put your pictures in it so long ago. And it was a good size. You can put these in. I'm thinking, okay, I can try it because then I can get that and put it in there. But now as I'm doing the diamond painting, I'm thinking, you know what, this would be good. You can do it seasonal and you can have it, you know, put it out for display. But what really would be good, when we all like to give donations, you can add a little punch to the sauce. Okay, we always do hats, and especially for the seniors and other people. Like my donations that I did, not this year because I was really bummed out. My donations went to people that had mental illness, but functional people, but just had mental illness. So that's why I really couldn't show any pictures of them with their items on. But this would be something good to go along with that. You know, along with the hat, a nice picture that they can put up and they can get into the holiday spirit. I think I might do a little more and see how that go, you know. Yeah, so I'm telling you, it's very easy. The only thing that I had a problem with was this, what do they call this wax here. I didn't realize, I'm holding my phone with one hand. I didn't realize, and my nails, they look very bad. Oh goodness, I didn't realize it had this plastic cover on it. And so I was like just punching through the thing trying to pick it up. Punching and trying to pick it up and it wouldn't go. And I was like, oh man, what's wrong with it? Okay. So I go and I watch a video and she showed it. And I think she showed, maybe she took the wax off. And so I came back, took the wax off, and then the girl is on a roll. Look at me. Did you see me grab that one? And that one, let's see, that particular one, this white one here, is going, you know, it's hard because of the bling and the light. It goes with this one right here. And that white just brings everything out. I really do like that. So you guys, go give it a try. I'm not affiliated. I don't have the affiliated link with Amazon, but maybe I will get one. And go try one out. And think about what I said. You know, add a little more spice to the donations at the end of the year, or seasonal. You know, if you give things seasonal, and maybe you can give something, do one that's flowers for the women. So like around Easter time, money, but, and you know, just a bouquet of flowers, this diamond painting, or you know, the people in the facility would know who celebrate what, and they can give it out accordingly. that's my take on it. You know, we got to continue trying to love one another and hold on to one another and look out after our elderly people as much as we can. Look out after our widows as much as we can. Yeah, and speaking for myself, and try not to be so selfish, okay? So at this time, I'm going to leave you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday with your family, with your immediate family that live with you. Don't go out of your way and get sick. Your family, and take care of yourself until my next video on Jamming with Yarn. I will be coming up showing my hats and the Happy Mail that I am really made me smile. So make sure you come back and watch that on YouTube, and I may upload it on Instagram or Facebook. It just depends. Somehow, I tell you, I'm not a technical person. Sometimes I can do it right, and then some days it's like I can't even figure out how I did it last time. Anyway, take care. Love you. Bye-bye.